everyone, my name is Siddharth Chakravarti Guramkonda. Today in this video I'm going to show you the PHP and MySQL environment I have set up in my laptop. So for doing this I have used an application called Xampp. This is a combination of the Perl, PHP, Apache and MariaDB. So while installing this application you can select the what all the environments, what are the applications you need for doing this. So for this I required Apache and MySQL. I have selected these two and installed it. So and operating this applications is pretty straightforward. From the control panel you can just start and stop these applications like right over here. I have set up these two applications up and running for doing this test. So for to just check whether my environment is working fine or not, I have created two applications called, one is hello, a simple basic hello world program. The other one is the movie details application. To just so let's go and see whether the hello world is working fine or not. So I am going to localhost / hello world, and there you go, you can see the hello world application is working. And one more application I created was the movie information application, where you can insert, like I have performed just the basic operations like code operations, like inserting the data, inserting the movie into the database, and deleting the movie from the database, and showing the details, what are the movie details, what are the present in the database. So for this I have created a database by going to the my PHP myadmin page. I have created a database called MyDB, and in that database I have created a table called movie details. So to just show just storing the data from the for the backend. So I will be testing this application. So let's insert one movie over here. Like I have selected movie 1, which is not already there. So Tarjan, it will come under comic, and I selected the United States, and by clicking on the submit it will give me like movie is inserted successfully. So let's see whether the movie 1 is there or not. So I can do it this by two ways. One is by going and checking in the database, and the other one is by just checking on the show details here. Like it's just retrieving the data over there from and displaying here. Like you go, there you go, you can see the movie 1 Tarjan has been inserted and it's been printed here. So to just confirm that movie is being inserted over here or not, like the database here, you can see it over here, it is not already present. So I will just refresh it, and there you go, you can see the My Tarjan movie is being inserted here. So let's see the delete operation is working fine or not. So I will be deleting one more movie, like let's delete the only delete movie the one, and there you go, it's saying like deleted data is being successful. So we'll see whether it is deleted or not. Yeah, there you go, it's not retrieved over here. And just refresh this from the database. So it's deleted from here. So I can say this like I have did a pretty basic application in the PHP, and all this application resides in the ht docs over here, like because it is the root folder for the all the application. So all my code like index, I have created one index page which is the default page which it will takes while loading the application. And from here I will be pointing out to the delete php when I click on the delete php, and to the show php, it's like the details info page PHP, where I click on the show movie details, it will be pointing out to the show PHP page. So this is a pretty much basic applications, I can say this. And yeah, from this I can confirm that like my application is working fine. So coming to the issues I faced while doing this applications, was the port issue for Apache server. Like when I'm trying to start this Apache, it's saying like the port 80 was already, the port was already used. So I figured it out, like the issue was with the Skype, and I have disabled the Skype ports which Skype was using 80. And also I did by going to the services, I need to deactivate the worldwide running web services, because that is also using the port 80. So these are the only issues I faced while doing this applications. So coming to usage of this application to my class, it's like the database, it is a pretty much like you need to store all the database log. So all the backend will be all this data has been stored in the databases. So I can use this SQL as my learning experience for my class, and PHP is the, like you say, the server side code on the front end. So most of the all the applications which current days are running, like most of the applications like Facebook, all are the running on the PHP. So it's a very good advantage for me to learn this to my class. So that's all in this video, and thank you.